Yeah, hello students. How are you? I hope you all are well. Students, today we will learn chapter number 11. Chapter number 11, that is money. So students, today we will learn about money. So let's start the chapter. Here, different things are shown with their price tags. With their price tags. Now class, cake is for 90 rupees, burger 30 rupees, chocolate 10 rupees, Parle-G biscuit 5 rupees. Now ice cream 15 rupees, pizza 80 rupees, cold drink 50 rupees and sandwiches 25 rupees. Now class, write the numbers on the price tags. Class, cake is for 90 rupees and biscuit 5 rupees, burger 30 rupees, chocolate 10 rupees and cold drink 50 rupees, ice cream 15 rupees, pizza 80 rupees and sandwich 25 rupees. Understand class? Now class, concept of money. When we have to pay money, we have to pay money when we buy things from the market. From the market. Plus हमें money pay करना होता है अपनी चीजों को खरीदने के लिए, buy करने के लिए. Money is used in a country is called its currency. जिस कंट्री में जो भी मनी यूज होता है वो क्या होती है, उस इंडिया की क्या होती है, करेंसी होती है. लाइक इंडिया की जो करेंसी होती है वो रुपीज और पैसे होती है. इंडियन करेंसी इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ रुपीज एंड पैसे. रुपीज एग्जिट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ कॉइन्स. ओके, rupees exist in the form of coins and notes and paise exist in the form of coins only. Paise exist in the form of coins only. Now class, the symbol for the rupee, Indian rupee is for this. Understand? Now class, used P for paise and this for rupees. This for rupees. Now identifying commonly used Indian currency. Class C. Given below are the commonly used coins and notes. Class coins, 50 paise coin, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee and 5 rupee coin, 20 rupee and 10 rupee, 10 rupee coin and 20 rupee coin. Now class, a coin has two sides, the tail sides and the head sides. Tail and head होता है class. ये two sides होती हैं, head and tail. Now class, the value of each coin is written on the left of it. Okay. Now class, notes, 1 rupee note, 2 rupee, 5 rupee note, 10 rupee, 20 rupee, 50 rupee, 100 rupees, 200 rupees and 500 rupees. Okay. Now in India, the value of each note is written in 15 language on it. Plus ये जो हमारे पास नोट है, उस इंडिया में क्या होता है, उस पर कितनी लैंग्वेज लिखी होती है, 15 लैंग्वेज लिखी होती है. ओके, यू कैन सी हियर other languages. Now come on exercise 11.1. Match the following. Class, here is 2 rupee coin and 2 rupee note, 5 rupee coin, 5 rupee note, 20 rupee coin, 20 rupee note and 10 rupee coin, 10 rupee note. Understand? Now class, come on counting of small amount of money. Counting of small amount of money. Now class, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Class, 1 rupees में कितने पैसे होते हैं, 100 पैसे होते हैं ना क्लास. 100 पैसे is equal to 1 rupee. Now 50 paise, 50 paise, 100 paise, 100 paise, 1 rupee. Understand? 50 paise, 50 paise, 1 rupee. You can add up coins and notes with the same value by skip counting. Now 3 coins of 5, 5, 10, 15. So it is 15. 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. Now 4 coins of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40. It is 40. Yes students, sometimes class कभी-कभी क्या होता है, the coins or notes are the different values. जो notes होते हैं और coins होते हैं उनकी value क्या होती है, different होती है. In such cases we can count money. We can count money by starting with the largest amount first and then adding smaller amount. Okay, class C. Larger amount 10, then 15, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20, 20 plus 2 22, 22 plus 1 23. तो हमने पहले लार्जर अमाउंट से स्मॉलर अमाउंट से काउंट किया. ओके, लार्जर अमाउंट फर्स्ट देन adding smaller amount. Now class, exchange of money. A 2 rupee coin can be exchanged for 2 1 rupee coins. 2 rupee coins can be exchanged. class, मेरे पास 2 rupee coin है, मैं उसको एक्सचेंज कर सकती हूँ कैसे? एक 1 मतलब 1 रुपीज के 2 कॉइन्स लेकर मैं उसको एक्सचेंज कर सकती हूँ. सच एज 2 rupees coins 1 plus 1 rupee coin. Now a 5 rupee coin can be exchanged for 5 1 rupee coins, such as अब आपके पास 5 rupee coin है एक, बट आपके पास 1 rupees के 5 coins है, so equal to 5 is equal to 5. Now come on exercise 11.2. Now class, how much is there? 1 has been done for you. Now class, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4 rupee. Now 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 rupees. Now class, come here. It is 10, 10 plus 10 20, 20 plus 10 30 rupees. 30 rupees. Now 20 plus 20, 20 rupees plus 20 rupees, it is 40 rupees. Now class, your chapter is completed. Prepare it very well and we will meet you in next class. Thank you.